first book. This is the first book I wanted to review, and it is about how things grow. And it has over 100 stickers. And this is for the people who love to teach gardening and organic farming to their children. Sometimes children throw away the food which remains in their plate, and you can show them how difficult it is to grow and how can you grow each one of them. So some plants grow by themselves and some are planted by the people. So this is the tomato plant. These are herbs, and things are growing all around us, and all the time whenever you are outdoors you are never far from something that's growing. Things that grow are called plants. And so there is different things they have written. What are bushes, um, what are big plants, what is sunflower, and these all stickers are there on the back. See, when these are the parts of the plant, so starting of the basics, and this is plant words, and then the plant of the parts of the tree, and then see the seed grow and which are the kind of seeds available. Like someone who is interested in botany, this is like a gift for them. And there is like spreading seeds, how do you spread the seeds, and so what happens when the seeds are more. You can see how can flowers grow from the seed, the stages, lots of flowers, and there is different terms which even we can learn from this beautiful illustrations. So what is here, a little bit about what is spring and what happens in summer, and which plant grows in summer, what happens in autumn and winter, and what are the fruits available in typical time. There is little bit about growing food. So how can you grow food on your own, and this is about nuts and how peanuts grow, and a little bit about apples, peaches, mangoes, losing leaves. So types of leaves, lot and lots of botany here. And after that, this is about vegetable garden, how to grow that. And this is the stickers which I was talking about. So you can actually put the stickers where you want to. So very simple paperback book, value for money for kids.